Here we are at our wonderful favorite store, Dollar Tree. Just lean back with your cup of tea and see what we found today while we were shopping. Oh my gosh, they have so many beautiful things here, all for $1.25 or less. I even got one on sale for 50 cents. Can you believe it? It's possible. You just keep shopping Dollar Tree and you'll be amazed at what you can find, my dear friends. They have some amazing deals. Sit back and watch. I thought this was so great. Date night. And look how the little spinner spins around, and you can push massage night, give each other foot rubs, movie night, slow dancing, play a game, romantic dinner, go stargazing, go for a drive. Don't they all sound wonderful for a date night? And I got the kissing booth. I thought it was so cute, staying in my theme of red and white and a little bit of pink. and the white heart beads is just as pretty as can be. These are all $1.25. Then I've been looking for these chocolate spoons for my hot cocoa bar, and I just happened to run across them today. Of course I bought them. And then I got some little things to use confetti for my tablescapes. What do you think? And these will be perfect for my little fairy gardens. Push them in the soft dirt, and the little hearts can lead to the little heart houses. Doesn't that sound cute? And some beautiful red and silver pom-poms to celebrate Valentine's. I saw them and I said, aren't those cute? And this is some more little things that I picked up at Dollar Tree this week. Wasn't this so pretty? And I just loved it. The way it was finished off and cut out with the beautiful roses and the word love front and center. Oh, did I love it so. And then we had this beautiful little mailbox. And I told you my little dog just passed away. And for some reason, the little mailbox just screamed out to me, buy it, buy it. Friends forever. And it's true, my dog meant everything to us. We eventually will get another dog, but right now it just hurts too much. And I think we're going to take a while off before we get another dog. Then I want to do a couple bee posts, and I saw this, and I thought it was a great piece to use. What do you think? For only $1.25. And then of course, I want to start doing some more gardening, and I got this to sort of dig up those nasty little weeds in my garden. And I saw this beautiful laced hearts. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with it, but I had to buy it, only $1.25. And then I want to do a little flower arrangement, so I got the little red hearts and some roses and a little bit of white baby breath. And I saw this, and it put a smile on my face, and so I thought I would buy it, only $1.25, very colorful, and I can put it in the cozy corner or put it on a tablescape or make some joyful little thing for the children when they come over. Well, what do you think of my shopping haul for Dollar Tree this week? Well, you know, Grandma can't seem to keep herself out of the store. And I hate to go to Dollar Tree because I spend so much money there. I guess the problem is it's only $1.25. And then you think, it's so cute. It's only $1.25. Well, let's see what Grandma spent for this shopping haul. They had some Christmas stuff on sale, and I really didn't want to buy any, except for this one piece. I thought it would be great for Valentine's, just to add a little bit of whimsy, and was just the right color. And because it was on sale, I got it for 50 cents. You can't beat that. And my total bill was, what was it? $21.09, including for the bag. Well, I thought I did pretty good with everything I got here, and it should make quite a few different posts. I'll have a bee post, I'll have some Valentine's posts, and I can't wait to see what we can put together with what I found today. My last two pieces that I found, super, super cute. What do you think? It says, cute as can be. And here is the little gnome and his girlfriend. Oh, he does love her so. What do you think? I thought I got some great buys. Leave me a comment in the comment section. As you can see, there's even a little bee right there. Oh yes, these are all from Dollar Tree, and you are going to be amazed at how little I spend for so many pieces.